Hi and welcome to Let's Cook. Today we are cooking up something I used to point at in salad bars and say, can I have some of those please? That's right, quinoa, what is it? For the longest time, I would go into this salad joint near work with my colleagues, and there it was, this mysterious food that looked like a grain but wasn't. I would always tell myself, okay, tonight I'm going to Google how to say this thing. But you know how it goes. Get home, life happens, and whoops, you forget. Well, no more mystery. It's quinoa. And today, we are not just saying it, we are cooking it. An extraordinary superfood, quinoa, cultivated in the Andes Mountains over 7,000 years. Quinoa has recently soared in global popularity. It mimics cereal grains nutritionally, but is technically a member of the spinach family. A nutritional powerhouse containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent protein source. For every 1 part of quinoa, use 1 3/4 parts of water. This precise measurement is key to achieving the perfect texture in your quinoa dish. This seed boasts a regal history, originating with the Incas across Bolivia, Chile, and Peru. Bring it to a boil and then cook covered for 15 minutes on low flame. In the meantime, let's prepare the dressing. Juice of 1 lime, a red chili, 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger paste. In goes the olive oil. It should be a little more than the lime juice. And then goes vegetable oil. I have added 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, about half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the dressing, a few mint leaves for the freshness. At this moment, I realized that someone borrowed my handheld blender, so I had to transfer everything. Now here comes the moment of truth. I'm so happy it works out every time. The cornerstone of Inca civilization into our kitchen. Despite fading into obscurity during the Spanish conquest in 1532, thank God, quinoa made a triumphant return in the 70s. Let's check on our dressing. Ooh, what do you think? This dressing adds a zesty and spicy kick to the dish. Other than eating, absolutely, this is the most delightful moment in the cooking process. Once the quinoa is perfectly cooked, it's time to bring everything together. This is a step where magic truly happens, where all the individual components come together, creating a harmonious blend of textures and flavors. The crunchiness of the veggies combined with the softness of the quinoa and the chickpeas and the burst of flavor from the Chilli-Lime dressing is a culinary experience not to be missed. The sweetness and texture of the pomegranate complements the earthy quinoa. Let's add our dressing to elevate the dish. The acidity from the lime balances the sweetness of the pomegranate and the earthiness of the quinoa, while the chili adds a subtle heat that awakens the palate. This dressing not only ties all the ingredients together harmoniously, but also adds layers of complexity to the dish, making each bite a delightful and flavorful experience. Thank you for joining me on this adventure from my initial quinoa confusion to finally mastering quinoa. And if you love the recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel for more delicious adventures. Thank you and happy cooking!